primetime news this evening, calls for greater monitoring of deportees with a criminal history. Spanish Town mayor slapped with assault charges. And experts worry Jamaicans are becoming desensitized to crime and violence. Good evening and welcome to this abbreviated primetime news package. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International and those of you who are watching online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Kalisha Williams. Now there's also the financial week and sports and weather, of course, in this news package. So please stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.